Hey friends, if you wish to set Microsoft Excel as a default application for any extension type, then please watch this video. Now, I will guide you through two methods. One is the easier method and one is the official method. Now, as for the easiest method, find any file of that certain type. Like this is an XLSX file. So right click on it, select open with, select choose another app, select Excel, select always. Now, this will become the default application to open all files of this type. The other one is to right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, go to default apps, okay, and then you'll have to go to Excel, double click on it, and then you can start changing it for any file type that you wish to change, okay. So this is the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.